Lomonokol Mark.
I, Mark Lomunokol, on behalf of the people of Kachaliba and the greater nation of Asla, I vote yes.
Luyai Caleb Amisi. Imbaya Justus Gisito Mugali.
I, Luyai Caleb, I vote no.
Kizito.
I, Justus Kizito Mukali Mbaya, I vote no.
Maanzo Daniel Kitonga. Mabonga Moses Wekesa Mwam.
I, Daniel Kitonga Maanzo, on behalf of the people of Makueni, I vote no.
On behalf of the great people of Bomula, Mwambo Mabonga votes yes.
Manje Joseph Wathiko. Maoka Richard Maore.
Maore Maoka, I vote no.
Joseph Manje, I vote no.
Mariro Patrick Karioki. Maritim Silvanas. Masadia Alfred Agoy.
I, Silvanas Maritim, Ainamoi constituency, I vote yes.
I, Alfred Agoy Masadia, I vote yes.
Masara Peter Francis.
I vote no. I vote no. I vote no. I, Alfred Agoy Masadia, I vote no.
Masara Peter Francis. Mawade Julius Musili.
I, Peter Francis Masara, I vote no.
Mawade Julius Musili.
I, Julius Musili Mawade, I vote no.
Mbai Nimrod Mbithuka. Mbai Nimrod Mbithuka. Mbalu Jessica Nduku Kiko.
I, Nimrod Miduka.
Order. Order.
I vote yes.
Order, Honorable Bai. Honorable Bai, please, members. It is for our sake that we have our masks on. It is for our sake.
Barire Sisi. Barire Sicile.
I, Cicely Barire, I vote yes.
Biuki Japheth Miriti Kareke.
I, Kareke Mbioki, on behalf of Mala constituency that Kanidi County, I vote yes.
Bogo Ali Menza. Bogo Ali Menza. Boko Mishi Juma Hamisi. Boni David Mwalika.
I, Bishi Juma Mboko, MP Likoni constituency, with my clear mind, I vote no!
Boni David Mwalika. Mbui Robert.
Robert Mbui, I vote no.
Milemba Jeremiah Omboko.
Thank you. I vote no, Omboko Milemba.
Mishra Swarab Ranjan. Misiki Lydia Haika Munene. Mulolwa Jones Mwagongo. Mogaka Vincent Kemosi. Mohamed Abdrahim Osman.
I, Mogaka Vincent Kemosi, to stop impunity, I vote yes.
Osman Mohamed Abdrahim.
I, Honorable Abdikarim Osman Mohamed, MP Fafi, on behalf of Garissa County, na chama ya mama na baba, I vote no.
Mohamed Ahmed Kolosh. Mohamed Asha Hussein.
I, Ahmed Kolosh Mohamed, kwa niaba ya watu waliodhulumiwa ya Northern Kenya, I vote yes.
Ahmed Kolosh. Asha Hussein Mohamed.
I, Asha Hussein Mohamed, I vote no.
Mohamed
No.
Mohamed Ali.
No.
Mohamed Ali. Mohamed Lokiru Ali. Mohamed Ali. Mohamed Lokiru Ali.
I, Muhammad Ali Lokiru, on behalf of Turkana East people, I vote yes.
Mohamed Mahmoud Sheikh. Mohamed Mahmoud Sheikh. Moi Kipruto.
I Kipruto Moi of Rongai, Nakuru County, vote no.
Momanyi Ben George Orori. Momanyi Ben George Orori. Momanyi Jerosha Mogina.
I vote no.
I, Jerusha Mongina Momanyi of Nyamira County, I vote no.
Mose Shadrach John Musheke Halima Yusuf.
I, Moses Shadrach John, on behalf of the people of Kitutu Masava, I vote yes.
I, Halima Yusuf Mucheke, listening to the ground, I vote yes.
Mushira Michael Mwangi Mugambi James Gishuki.
Michael Mwangi Mushira, I vote yes.
Mugambi James Gishuki.
Mugambi James Geshoke, I vote no.
Mohanda Elsie Busi Hile. Mukhwana Titus Hamala.
I, Elsie Muhanda, County MP, Kakamega, on behalf of the people of Kakamega, I vote a big no.
I, Titus Hamala, I vote yes.
Mukuha Gabriel Kago, Mule Stephen Mutinda. Mukuha Gabriel Kago.
I, Gabriel Kago Walidia, I vote yes.
Mule Stephen Mutinda. Mule Stephen Mutinda.
I, Stephen Mutinda Mule, MP Matungulu, I vote no.
Muli Fabian Kialu. Mulu Benson Makali. Mulu Fabian. Mulu Makali Benson. Muliungi Gideon Mutemi. Mumo Rose Museu.
I, Gideon Muliungi, on behalf of the people of Bunge Central, I vote no.
Mumo Rose Museu.
I, Rose Museo, vote no.
Munyaka Victor Kyoko. Mugor James Kosgei.
I, Victor Munyaka, on behalf of people of Machakos Town Constituency, I vote yes.
Murgor James Kipkoskei.
James Murgor, Keyo North, I vote yes.
Murungara George Gitonga, Murungi Kadhuri, Musao Vincent Musioka.
Thank you. I, George Gitonga Murugara, on behalf of the great people of the Raka constituency who subscribe entirely to the constitution, vote yes.
Murungi Kadhuri.
I, Kadhuri Murungi, member for South Imenti constituency, I vote yes.
Musao Vincent Musioka. Musimba Patrick Mweu. Mutai Jafeth Kiplagat.
I, Mutai Jafeth, representing the great people of Bureti, I vote yes.
Mudama Stanley Muiruri. Mutua Didmas Wekesa Barasa.
I, Stanley Mwiduri Mudhama, Member of Parliament, Lamu West, I vote no.
I, Mutua Wekesa Barasa, I vote yes.
Mutua Florence Mwikali, Mutunga John Kanyuivia, Muturi Joffre Kingangi.
Florence Mutua, I vote no.
I, Dr. John Kanyuithia Mutunga, on behalf of the people of Tigania West and in defense of the constitution which is under threat, I vote yes.
Muturi Joffre Kingangi.
I, Jeffrey Kingangi Muturi, on behalf of the people of Bere South, I vote yes.
Mwadime Andrew, Mwakuona Danson Mwachako, Mwale Nicholas Scott Tindi.
Andrew Mwadime MP Mwatate, I vote no.
Danson Mwakshoka Mwakuona.
Mimi Danson Mwashako, mbunge wa Undanyi, na vote no.
Mwale Nicholas Scott Tindi. Mwalio Joshua Mbivi.
I vote no.
Mwambire Teddy Ngumbao. Mwamkale William Kamoti.
Mimi Teddy Ngumbao Mwambire, mbunge wa Ganze, napiga kura ya la.
I, Kamoti Mwamkale, MP Rabai, vote no.
Mwangaza Kawera. Mwangi Benjamin Gaviru. Mwangi James Gishui.
I, Benjamin Gaviru Mwangi, on behalf of Embakasi Central people and that of many suffering Hasra Nation people, I vote yes.
Mwangi James Gishui. Mwangi John Amboro.
John Amburu Larry, I vote no.
Mwaniki Ruth. Mwaniki Ruth. Mwaniki Ruth. Mwanyanje Gertrude Mbeyu.
I, Wagare Mwaneki, on behalf of Kegumo constituency, I vote an emphatic no.
Gertrude Mbeyu. Mwashatani Khatib Abdallah. Mwadhi Peter Mungai.
Mimi Atibu Abdalla Mwashetani, mbunge wa Lungalunga, kwa niaba ya wananchi wa Lungalunga napiga ndio.
I, Honorable Gertrude Mbeyu Mwenyanje, Kilifi County MP, I vote no.
Peter Mwadhi, MP Limuru, I vote no.
Muriki John Paul na Bulindo Peter Oscar.
Mwirigi John Paul, MP Gembe South constituency, I vote yes.
I, Peter Oscar Nabulindo, on behalf of the beloved people of Matungu, I vote no.
Naika Johnson Manya, Nakara John Lodepe, Nakuleu Christopher Doe. Naika Johnson Manya. Nakara Joseph John Lodepe.
I, Honorable Missionary Lodepe Nakara, on behalf of Turkana Central Constituency, I vote yes.
I, Christopher Doe Nakuleu, Member of Parliament for Turkana North, on behalf of Turkana County, I vote yes.
I, Munene Wambugo, MP Kirinyaga Central, I vote no.
Nanok Daniel Epuya. Nanok Daniel Epuyo. Nasir Abdul Swamad Sharif.
I. Order. I, Nanok Daniel Epuyo. For the people of Turkana West, I vote yes.
Asante. I, Johnson Manya Naika, Member of Parliament for the great people of Mumias and the Prince in Wangaland, I vote no.
Nasir Abdul Swamad Sharif.
Mimi Abdul Swamad Sharif Nasir kwa niaba ya wanamvita katika siku ya kusikitisha kama leo napiga la, yani no. NO.
Ndirango Isaac Waihenya. Ndongo George Koimburi. Ngirishi Purity Wangoi.
Waihenya Dirango, member for Loisabu, votes no.
Dongo George Koimbori, Member of Parliament, Juja. On behalf of my people, I vote yes.
Girisi Purity Wangoi. Ngongo Bandi John. Ngugi Joseph Nduati.
I, Joseph Nduati Ngoge, MP Gatanga, I vote no.
Nguna Charles Ngusia. Ngunjiri Onesimus Kimani.
Hi, Charles Ngosi Nguna, CNN, I vote no. Mwingi West.
I, Onesimus Kimani Ngunjiri, MP Bahati, I vote yes.
Jagagua Charles Murioki. Njiro Eric Mushangi.
I, Muriuki Njagagua, Member of Parliament, Bere North, I vote yes.
I, Mushangi Karemba, the one and the only one, I vote yes.
Njiru Jane Wanjiku. Jomo Jude Kang'ethe. Njoroge Mere wa Maua wa Ithera.
I, Jane Jiro, I vote no.
I, Jude Jomo, the servant of the great people of Kiambu, I vote no.
Njoroge Mere wa Maua.
Mary wa Maua, I vote no.
Nur Sophia Abdi. Twiga Patrick Munene. Nu Junet Sheikh.
I, Sophia Abdi Noor, a believer of structured political parties, I vote no.
Junet Sheikh.
I, Patrick Munene, MP for Chukwe-Gambangombe constituency, on behalf of the great people of the Rakanidi, I vote yes.
Junet Sheikh. Nyaga Beatrice Nkada.
I vote no.
Nyaga John Mushiri.
I, Beatrice Nkada Nyaga, Member of Parliament for the Rakanidi County, I vote yes.
Nyaga John Mushiri.
I, John Mushiri Nyaga, MP Manyata constituency, I vote yes.
Nyamai Resho Kaki, Nyamita Mako Gola, Nyamoko Josh Nyamache.
I, Rachel Nyamai, I vote no.
Nyamita Mark, I vote no.
Josh Nyamache. Nyamoko Josh Nyamache. I think he's there.
I, Josh Nyamache Nyamoko, on behalf of the good people of North Mogrango constituency, I vote yes.
Nyenze Edith Fevi, Nikal James Wambura, Nyoro Samson Dindi.
I, Dr. James Wambura Nyikal of Seme constituency, I vote no.
I, Edith Nyenze, Member of Parliament, Kitui West, I vote no.
I, Dede Nyoro from Kiharu, standing with Kenyans against laws of poverty and masters of state capture, I vote yes.
Zambia, Thudias Kitua, Zengu Paul Musimi, Nzioka Erastus Kivasu.
I, Engineer Zambia Thaddeus, Member of Parliament Kilome constituency, on behalf of my constituents, I vote no.
I, Engineer Paul Nzengu, Member of Parliament Mwingi North, I vote no.
I, Kivasu Nzioka, Member of Parliament Boni, vote no.
Obara, Eve Akinyi, Obiri Innocent Momanyi, Oboru Weda Mohammed.
I, Eve Obara, Kabondo Kasipul constituency, I vote no.
Obiri Innocent Momanyi.
Yes.
I, Captain Ruweida Mohammed, County Women MP Lamu, on behalf of Lamu people, I vote no.
Alikuwa hapa lakini kama alitoka. Na Pamela?
Ochieng David Ouma, Ochieng Pamela Awor, Odanga Geoffrey Makoha.
I, David Ochieng, vote no.
Ochieng Pamela.
I, Dr. Pamela Awuor Ochieng, I vote no for the people of Migori County.
Odanga Geoffrey Makoha.
Aya, Odanga Geoffrey Makoha for Matayos constituency voting no.
Odege Tom Boya, Odhiambo Elisha Ochieng, Odhiambo Millie Grace Akoth.
Tom Odege, I vote no.
I, Elisha Ochieng Odhiambo, Elias Akuba, on behalf of Game constituency, the very land of Kenya, I vote no.
I, Millie Grace Akoth Odhiambo Mabona, I vote no.
Oduor Professor Jacqueline Adhiambo, Oduor Christine Ombaka, Ogola Gideon Ochanda.
In defense of democracy and the promotion of the much-needed healthy culture of political parties in Kenya, I, Jacqueline Adhiambo Oduor, vote no.
Christine Ombaka.
I, Dr. Christine Oduor Ombaka, I vote no.
Ochanda Gideon. Ogutu Zadok Abel. Oimeke Robert Pavel Obuoto.
I, Professor Sadok Wabel Ogutu, Machoga Burabu constituency, I vote no.
Oimeke Robert Pavel Obuoto. Okelo Jared Odoyo, Okoth Bernard Otieno, Okweme Andrew Adipo.
Jared Okelo, on behalf of Nyando constituency, I vote no.
Mimi Andrew Adipo Kwome wa Karachuonyo, yangu ni la ama no.
Bernard Okoth Imran, I vote no. Ole Kenta Richard Moitalel, Ole Lemein Dr. Korei, Ole Metito Kato Juda.
Today to fight for governor. Katole Metito, I vote yes.
Lemain Korei, Narok South, I vote yes.
Ole Sankok David.
I, David Olazankok, 001, for the safety of my crutches from Azimio la Utapeli, Mawe na Uchawi, I vote yes.
Oluosh Anthony Tom, Ombaki Ezekiel Machogu.
Mimi Anthony Oluoch, mbunge wa Mathare, napiga la.
Ombaki Ezekiel.
I, Ezekiel Machogo Mbaki, I vote no.
Omuse Godfrey, Omwera George Aladwa, Ongera Janet.
I, Geoffrey Omuse, Member of Parliament, Teso South, on behalf of the minority Teso community, I vote no.
Omwera Aladwa.
I, Janet Ongera, Kisii County MP, and being a guru on political parties, I vote no.
Aladwa George, I vote no. Onyengo Silvana Sosoro. Onyonga Richard Moima.
I, Silvanus Osoro Onyego, on behalf of the people of South Mogrango, nakataa kubebewa akili and vote yes.
Chair, mimi Mheshimiwa Richard Momoima Onyonka, mbunge kutoka eneo wakilishi la Kitutu Chache Kusini, ningependa kusema la. Asante.
Ososi Godfrey, Ouda Fred Odhiambo, Oundo Dr. Wilberforce Odhiambo.
I, Fred Odhiambo Ouda, on behalf of Kisumu Central and the many youths being tortured by this wheelbarrow nonsense, I vote no.
I, Godfrey Osotsi, I vote a big no, no, no.
I, Dr. Jambo Undo, MP Funyula, I vote no.
Owino John Walter, Owino Martin Peters, Owor Joshua Aduma.
I, Walter Owino, I vote no.
I, Martin Peters Owino Woodchief, MP from Ndewa, I vote no.
I, Owor Joshua Adoma, on behalf of the people of Nyakach, I vote no.
Oyo James Onyango, Oyula Joseph Maero, Pasaris Esther Mudoni Rosana.
James Onyango Koyo Muoroni, I vote no.
I, Esther Mudhoni Rosanna Pasaris, representing the County of Nairobi, for peace and prosperity, free, fair, and credible elections, I vote no.
I, Joseph Mairo Oyula, on behalf of the people of Butula, I vote no.
Kosing David Losiokou, Pukose Dr. Robert, Salim Faisal Abdallah Bader. Kosing David Losiokou, Pukose Robert, Salim Faisal Abdallah Bader.
I, Dr. Robert Pukose, Member of Parliament, Endebess constituency, and the Chief Agent of the Hasala team. Wacha nitume salamu kwa watu ya Endebess kidogo. I vote yes. Yes. Nataka kutuma salamu kwa watu ya Endebess.
Faisal Abdallah Badir, MP from Sambweni, I vote yes.
I, David Kosing, MP Pokot South, I vote no.
Raso Dido Ali, Rindikiri Mugambi Muiridhania, Robi Mathias Nyamabe.
Dido Raso, representing the great people of Saku, I vote yes.
I, Rindikiri Mugambi Muiridhania, on behalf of people of Bori, and on behalf of our brother Kolos, I vote yes. I vote yes.
Robi Mathias Nyamabe. Rono Daniel Kipkogei. Sambu Bernard Alfred Wekesa. Serem Cornel.
I, Daniel Rono, MP KO South, on behalf of the people of KO South, and to defeat impunity and to protect the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, I vote yes.
I, Matthias Robi, MP Kuria West, on behalf of Migori County, I vote yes.
Sambu Bernard.
I, Corneli Serem, Member of Parliament, Aldai constituents, I vote yes.
Next, Serem, Joshua Kutuny, Seronei Same Kipkorir, Shaban Naomi Nams.
I, Sami Kipkorir Seronei, Member of Parliament for Wiper Party, I vote no on behalf of the Wiper Party and its people. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, I vote no.
Naomi Namsi Shaban. Shamala Jennifer.
Mimi Daktari Naomi Namsi Shaban, mbunge wa Taveta, ninapiga la hasha.
I, Jennifer Shamala, vote no.
Shibwa Omar Mwinyi, Shinali Bernard Masaka, Sholei Gladys Boss.
Mheshimiwa Spika, mimi Omar Mwinyi Shimbwa, mbunge wa Changamwe, napiga kura ya la.
Shinali Bernard Masaka.
I, Shinali Bernard Masaka, I vote no.
I, Gladys Boss Sholei, on behalf of Wasingishu, I vote yes.
Shurie Abdi Omar, Simiu David Eseli, Simiu Majimbo Kalasinga.
I, David Eseli Simiyu, member for Tongaren, I vote no.
Abdi Shurie, I vote no.
I, Majimbo Joseph Kalasinga Simiyu,
On behalf of the people of Kapchai, I vote yes.
Sitati Daniel Wanyama, Sitienei Janet Chepkemboi, Sosion Wilson.
I, Janet Sitienei Rotich, to end impunity like the careless killings and injustices meted on the innocent people of Kiplombe, by KDF soldiers on Christmas Day. I vote yes.
Order.
Honorable Wanyama,
Order.
what order is coming from you? Order, Honorable Wanyama. Just vote. You cannot order members. At least not from where you are. Honorable Wanyama, please.
I need to be heard, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Okay, proceed.
Dan Wanyama, MP Webuye West, I vote yes.
I, Wilson Sosion, with my conscience, I vote yes to the amendment.
Sudi Oscar Kipchumba, Sunkuya George Risa, Tandasa Kasim.
I, Oscar Kipchumba Sudi, for the great people of Kapsaret, I vote big yes.
Sunkuya George Risa.
Mimi Mhandisi Tandaza Sawa, mbunge wa Matuga, Kwale County, ninasema hapana, haiwezekani, no.
I, George Risa Sunkuya, on behalf of the people of Kajiado West constituency and the Hustler, I vote yes.
Tayari Benjamin Dalu Stephen, Tepo Abdi Koropu, Teya Janet Marania, George Deuri.
Inshallah. Mimi Benjamin Dalu tayari, nikiwa tayari nasema ndio, yes.
Teya Janet, I vote yes.
I, Abdi Koropu Tepo, MP Siolo South, vote no.
George Deuri. Duku Sakare Kwenya. Tiren Silas Kipkoech.
I, George Theory, MP Embakasi West constituency, I vote yes.
Duku Sakare Kwenya. Tiren Silas Kipkoech. Tobiko Peris Pesi. Tobiko Peris Pesi. Tomitomi Lilian Cheptor.
Go ahead. I, Peris Pesi Tobiko, representing the Hustler Nation in Kajiado County, I vote yes.
I, Lilian Tomtom Lotuliatum, representing the people of West County, on behalf of all Hustler Nation of West Pokot, I vote yes.
Tongi Richard Nyagaka, Tongoyo Gabriel Koshal, Tonui Ronald Kiprotich.
I, Gabriel Tongoyo, representing people of Narok West, vote yes.
I, Richard Nyagaka Tongi, I vote no.
Thank you. I, Ronald Kiprotich Noi, on behalf of the great people of Bomet Central, I vote a strong yes.
Tuitoek Daniel Kamuren, Tum Tekla Shebet, Tuwei Vincent Kipkurui.
I, Dr. Daniel Tuitaek, on behalf of the hustlers in Kenya and Mogoto constituency, I vote a big yes.
I, Dr. Tekla Tum, on behalf of the people of Nandi County, I vote yes.
I, Vincent Tuwei, Member of Parliament, Mosop constituency, I vote yes.
Tuya Rosalinda Soipan, Washira Josephat Kabinga, Washira Rahab Mukami.
I, Rosalinda Soipan Tuya, for the love of country, I vote yes.
I, Rahab Mukami, Maendeleo Mashinani, on behalf of Nyeri County, I vote yes.
Mimi Kabinga Washira Wadhayo wa Mushere, on behalf of my people and for the benefit of our constitution, which we need to keep on improving, I vote no.
Wahome Alice Budoni, Wahungu Kirsantas Wamalwa, Wamashukuru James Gidhua Kamau.
I, Alice Mudhoni Wahome, Member of Parliament for Kandara constituency, in support of my amendment and in defense of the Constitution, recognizing the need to fight impunity and dictatorship, I vote yes.
Wahungu Krisandas Wamalwa.
Chris Wamalwa, I vote no.
Wamashukuru James.
Gedhua Mashukuru, representing the great people of Kabete, I vote yes.
Wabilianga Catherine Nyanjala, Wambuku John Munene, Wambuku Martin Derek Nkunjiri.
I vote no.
I, Gunjiri Wambugu, Member of Parliament Nyeri Town, I vote no.
Wambilianga Catherine Nanjala. Wamushomba Gadhoni, Wamunyinyi Athanas Misiku Wafula, Wandai James Opio.
Mr. Chair, on behalf of the people of Kandui I represent, and my party, the Democratic Action Party of Kenya, the DAP, I vote no. Thank you.
I, Opio Wandai, I vote no.
Mimi. I, Gadhoni wa Mushomba, representing the great county of Kiambu, resisting democracy and defeating election violence, I vote yes.
Wanga Gladys Atieno Nyasuna. Gladys Wanga. Wangaya Christopher Aseka.
She voted
Emmanuel
no.
Wangwe.
Did she vote no?
I, Gladys Wanga, I vote no.
Wangaya Aseka Christopher, MP Huisero, I vote no.
I, Emmanuel Wangwe, MP Navaholo, I vote no.
Wanjala Rafael Bita Sauti. Wanjiko John Jogona. Wanjera Mother Wangare.
I, Honorable Rafael Bita Sauti Wanjala, mbunge wa Budalangi, I vote no.
I, John Jogona Wanjiko, on behalf of great people of Kiamba, I vote yes.
Wanjera Mother Wangare. Wanyama Janet Nagambo. Wanyonyi Ferdinand Kevin.
Janet Wanyama ndio.
I, Ferdinand Wanyonyi, Member of Parliament, Kwanza Trans Nzoia, and on behalf of my people and on behalf of Fort Kenya, I say no.
Wario Ali Bura. Wario Ali Bura. Wario Galicha Gufu. Warogoro Catherine Wanjiko. Washiali Benjamin Jomo. Waweru John Kiarie.
I, Catherine Wanjiko Warugoro, representing the people of Laikipia, I vote yes.
I, Washali Benjamin, on behalf of the good people of Mumias East, I vote yes. Nazi Pangwingwi.
Waweru John Kiarie.
to forestall an unconstitutional amendment of the Constitution and to defeat impunity, I, John Kiarie, on behalf of all peace-loving Kenyans, law-abiding citizens, and procedure-loving people, I vote a big yes!
Were Charles Ongondo, Wetangula Timothy Wanyonyi,
I,
Yusuf Adan Haji.
I, Sir Charles Ongondowere, MP Kasipul, I vote no.
I, Adan Haji Yusuf, on behalf of the Mandera West people and on behalf of my party EFP, I vote no.
Silas Tiren, no.
Wetangula Timothy Wanyonyi.
Order members, I want to confirm, is there any member who hasn't been called to vote, who is present in the chamber? Because we seem to have gone through the list. Any member who hasn't been called? Okay, seems no. Honorable Tim Wanyonyi? No, it's not there.
Vincent Kawaya. Vincent Kawaya. Tim Wanyonyi.
Honorable Tim Wanyonyi?
Absent.
He is not there.
Thank you very much. Okay. Matunga si utatuanzia hiyo wengine? Sawa.
Mr. Chairman, results of the voting on the division that Clause 6 be amended as proposed by Honorable Wahome. Ayes 134, nays 158.
Order members. Order members. Order members. Order members. Order members. Order. Enough of that now. Order members. So on that question, that clause 6 be amended as proposed by Honorable Wahome MP. The ayes have 134, the nays 158, and therefore the nays have it. Order members. What is out of order, Honorable Kajwang? What is out of order?
Mr. Speaker, I want to make it very brief. We have been, Mr. Chairman, we have been here the whole day and we are still prepared to be around. Yeah. Would you kindly revert back to the voting procedure that we had before? It is faster, it is convenient, it keeps the house in order. If you are going to go this way, you can just do your mathematics and you see that we are only going to handle another one bill. One other clause. So I beseech you to apply your mind to this. If it works, it is good for us. Thank you very much.
What is it, Honorable Duwere? Just wait, Honorable Sheikh.
Mr. Speaker,
have your seat.
Mr. Speaker, Honorable Kimunja, relax. Your Chair, you have made a ruling. We have proved beyond reasonable doubt that we have a special sitting, and the special sitting ends at midnight on the clock. Those of us who want to stand with the Constitution want a clean process. This process is watertight, and we are not in a hurry. Can you put the global question? We move to the next division.
Order members, order members. Really, this is a small matter, Honorable Junet. This is a very small matter. I'll give direction. What is it? Before I give direction, it's a small matter. Honorable Junet, yours seems not to be working the mic. Huh? You can use the next one. It is not working, Honorable Junet.
Chair, I am standing under standing order number 73. 5. Chair, this is a house of rules, Chair, and we are guided by the standing orders. We are not being guided by the rule of jungle, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chair. And the standing order clearly says, when called out, each member shall thereupon rise in his or her place and declare assent or dissent to the question in the following manner: I vote yes, or I vote no, or I abstain, or use appropriate Kenyan sign language. Chair, there is no provision in standing order where a member is called upon to vote and he says, I'm representing so-and-so, I'm representing the Hustler Nation, I'm representing which people. We cannot run this house that manner, Chair. We cannot. Chair, no, Bana. Look at this woman here.
Order.
Sit down.
Honorable, you let finish. Just finish. Just finish.
Chair, let me finish. Chair, I have a right to speak in this house.
Proceed. Honorable Junet.
Chair, the ruling of the Speaker, the ruling of the Chair, who was on the Chair, Honorable Umalele, was like this. Names will be called out. Each member's name will be called out. They will come to the polling booth here. and then their name will be tipped at the booth here, not to be given a microphone here to lecture us. People who don't have numbers. We have 156, they have 130.
Okay.
Cannot be.
Other members. Okay, other members. I have heard all of you. Order, Honorable Junet. Order, Honorable Junet. Order, members. Order, members. Order, Honorable Ekaria. Order, Honorable Ekaria. Order, Honorable Ekaria. Order, members. Order, members. Order, members. Take your seats. Honorable members, take your seats. Take your seats. Order, members. Order, members. Now, on those two issues, really, on those two issues, let me give direction on this because we must make progress. Honorable Ekaria, please take your seat. Honorable members, it is very surprising. It is very surprising. We have had allowed 1.5 to 2 hours very peaceful, and I'm sure we will proceed in that manner. Members, and you can express yourself, but in a peaceful manner. Well, honorable members, now on the issue of the voting, there was a ruling earlier by the speaker, by the speaker who was the chair who was here earlier, and it is because of what had happened that we reverted to this division list. Now we shall stick to that process. And then on this one, on what Honorable Junet has raised, I have seen from both sides actually, members when they are given the mic, there's a bit of addition allowed that. Honorable members, even though there is nothing really out of order on that, but look at it this way. When you are given a chance, and I've seen it from both sides, just vote and then we make progress. Just vote and then we make progress. Honorable members, in that, I will put... now, other members, you can have the doors can be open. Other members, let us, I will put the global question first. Honorable members, in light of the amendments by Honorable Alice having fallen, I will now put the question, the global question. Honorable members, it is important you get to what I am doing. I am putting the global question on clause 6. So, honorable members, I want to put the question, I now put the question that clause 6 be part of the bill. With as many as are of that opinion say aye. With as many as are of the contrary opinion say nay. I must carry that again. I must carry that again, honorable members. Take your seats. Take your seats. Other members, I will put the question. Other members, I will put the question. I will now put the question that clause 6 be part of the bill. With as many as are of that opinion say aye. With as many as are of the contrary opinion say nay. The nays have it. We have the numbers. We have the numbers for division. We have the numbers for division. Other members, we have the numbers for the division. I shall order that the bell be rung for 3 minutes. The division be rung for 3 minutes.
You said names are my eyes. We are confused. What was that?
wengine walikuwa naweka both sides. You are telling what? No. You are? The eyes. When you know. So don't do anything to this column. When you column. So. Yes, we have just won a division. How can the names have? How can they? We have just won a division. And the North are still close. How can the names win? We have just won a division 150 something. You know now. I just say another man. Amesema beli nalijua kwa hiyo. Kidogo.
We have 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes for those who have gone out. 2 more minutes.
We are closing that door. We have 2 more minutes. We are closing the door. The bell is ringing. We are closing the door. We have 2 minutes. Kidogo. Tell members we are closing the door to come in wale wanakuja.
One more minute, and then the voting will start. 1 more minute, and the voting will start. Members, order members, for the members who are outside, please note, we are going to draw the bus. Those members who are outside, you better get in. We are going to draw the bus. The members who are outside, you better get in. We are going to draw the bus. Order members, now the voting will start. Order members, take your seats. Take your seats. Order members, take your seats. Order, members, take your seats. Take your seats, honorable members. Take your seats.
We, akiitwa mtu anakuja hapa.
Take your seats. Take your seats, members. Take your seats. Take your seats. Take your seats. Take your seats, honorable members. Take your seats. Now, I order that the door be closed. Take your seats, honorable members. Take your seats, honorable members. Take your seats. Okay, the bus.
Ask us to start. We can just
now, order members, we shall proceed now. Let's have the tellers. The tellers are already here. Order members, we shall now proceed.
Abdi Yusuf Hassan. Abdi Yusuf Hassan. Abdi
order members,
Yusuf
order members,
Hassan.
take your seats. Take your seats, honorable members. Honorable Duare, take your seat. Honorable Koril. Honorable Koril. Take your seat.
Abdi Yusuf Hassan.
Just clerk, so that the members get refreshed on what we are doing. We are putting the question that clause 3 be part of the bill. That is what we are voting on. All the members, take your seats. Proceed.
Abdi Yusuf Hassan.
You can use my mic.
I vote yes.
Abdullahi Major Bashir. Abdullahi Major Bashir. Abdullahi Major Bashir. Abur Paul. Abur Paul. Abur Paul.
I vote yes.
Adagala Beatrice Kahai. Adagala Beatrice Kahai.
I vote yes.
Adan Safia Sheikh. Adan Safia Sheikh. Adan Safia Sheikh. Ahmed Shakil Ahmed Shabir. Ahmed Shakil Ahmed Shabir. Alpha Miruka Ondieki. Alpha Miruka Ondieki. Alpha Miruka Ondieki. Ali Alpha Miruka Ondieki.
Alpha Ondieki Miruka, member of Parliament Machoka Chache, I say no.
Ali Adan Haji. Ali Adan Haji. Ali Amin Dedi Mohammed. Ali Amin Dedi Mohammed.
I Amin Dedi, I vote no.
Ali Fatuma Gedi. Ali Fatuma Gedi.
I vote yes.
Ali Sharif Adman. Ali Sharif Adman.
Ali Sharif Othman, MP Lamu East, I vote no.
Aluoch John Olago. Aluoch John Olago. Amin Rashid Kasim. Amin Rashid Kasim.
I, Honorable Rashid Amin, I vote yes.
Amolo Otiende. Amolo Otiende.
I, Otiende Amolo, I vote yes.
Angatia Ayub Savula. Angatia Ayub Savula.
I vote yes.
Angwenyi Jimmy Nur Ondieki.
Jimmy Angwenyi, I vote yes.
Arama Samuel. Arama Samuel.
I vote yes.
Aramat Lemanken. Aramat Lemanken.
I, Aramat Lemanken, I vote no.
Arati Paul Simba. Arati Paul Simba.
I, Simbarati, I vote yes.
Arbele Marcelino Malimo. Arbele Marcelino Malimo.
I, Malim Arbele, I vote yes.
Atandi Samuel Onunga. Atandi Samuel Onunga.
Atandi, I vote yes.
Babu Owino Paul Ongiri. Babu Owino Paul Ongili.
Babu Owino, I vote yes with all my body parts and
Badi
organs.
Badi Twalib. Badi Badi Twalib. Badi Badi Twalib.
Badi Badi Twalib, yes.
Baya Owen, yeah. Baya Owen, yeah.
Baya Owen, yeah, I vote no.
Bore Florence CK. Bore Florence CK.
I, Florence Bore, I vote no.
Bowen David Kangogo. Bowen David Kangogo. Bowen David Kangogo.
Bowen David Kangogo, I vote no.
Bunyasi Sakwa John. Bunyasi Sakwa John. Bunyasi Sakwa John. Buyu Rosa Akinyi. Buyu Rosa Akinyi.
Buyu Rosa Akinyi, I vote yes.
Chabai Bai Jane Jebkoril Kipto. Chabai Bai Jane Jebkoril Kipto.
Jane Chepkorir Kipto Bye, I vote no.
Chege Maito Sabina Wanjiro. Chege Maito Sabina Wanjiro.
Maito, I vote yes.
Jepkoes Joyce Korir. Jepkoes Joyce Korir.
I, Chepkoe Joyce Korir, I vote no.
Jepkut William Kamuren Chirchir. Jepkut William Kamuren Chirchir. Chepkoni Charity Kadhambi. Chepkoni Charity Kadhambi. Jepkon Charity Kadhambi.
Yes, Charity Kadhambi Chepkonye no.
Cheruyot Gladwell Jesire. Cheruyot Gladwell Jesire.
Yes. No. Ama nirudie.
Cheruyot Gladwell Jesire.
I vote yes.
Jesebe Fred Kapondi. Chesebe Fred Kapondi.
Chesebe Fred Kapondi, I vote no.
Chumel Samuel Moroto. Chumel Samuel Moroto.
Haya, Samuel Moroto Chumel, Mbika Penguria, I vote no.
Dawood Abdurrahim. Dawood Abdurrahim. Duale Adan Bare. Duale Adan Bare.
I vote no.
Duale Mohammed Dahir. Duale Mohammed Dahir.
I vote yes.
Ekomwa James Lomenen. Ekomwa James Lomenen.
I vote no.
Emanikor Joyce Akai.
I vote no.
Gal Ahmed Bashane. Gal Ahmed Bashane.
I vote yes.
Gashagwa Rigathi. Gashagwa Rigathi.
I, Rigathi Gachagua, I vote no.
Gashobe Samuel Kinuthia. Gashobe Samuel Kinuthia. Gashobe Samuel Kinuthia.
I, Samuel Kinuthia Gashobe, I vote no.
Gakuya James Mwangi. Gakuya James Mwangi.
Gakuya James, no.
Gakuya Masi Wanjiko. Gakuya Masi Wanjiko.
Masi Gakuya, I vote yes.
Ganya Francis Chachu. Ganya Francis Chachu.
Chachu Ganya votes yes.
Garane Mohammed Hire. Garane Mohammed Hire.
Garane Muhammad Hire, I vote yes.
Gati Denita. Gati Denita.
Denita Gati, I vote yes.
Gekaria David. Gekaria David.
Mimi David Gekaria, Nakuru Town East, kwa niaba ya watu yangu ninasema la.
Gimosa Charles Gumini. Gimosa Charles Gumini. Gitao Faith Wairimu. Gitao Faith Wairimu.
I, Faith Wairimu Gitao, I say no.
Githinji Robert Gishimu. Githinji Robert Gishimu.
I, Githinji Robert Gishimo, say no.
GK George Masharia Kariuki. GK George Masharia Kariuki.